Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Richard. He came in for his 1-year follow-up and absolutely amazing. Richard, how was your experience? How was your year? How was your new hairstyle?
It was good. The first couple of days were kind of rough, like sleeping wise, but I mean honestly, it was like a fantastic experience. It really was.
Now we talked for a few minutes before we started the video, and you mentioned that even your family members are looking at your new hair as just a miracle.
No, my brother, he was kind of blown away when he saw it. He didn't really want to believe it. He thought I had like maybe a fake hairpiece on or something. But it's real. I mean, it was a good process. You guys made me feel really comfortable, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the process.
Now, Richard was a full Norwood 5 with thinning from his frontal hairline all the way through the vertex and into the crown. And obviously he has great hair texture to work with, and it had an amazing donor tissue. So it just worked out perfectly. Again, he's styling his hair to his liking. He definitely got over that 40%, 35-40% density, but is there anything that prevents you from doing anything with this new hairstyle?
No, nothing at all. I feel like even when I'm, I mentioned with you before is that like when I go to the gym or if I'm just letting my hair grow in and I don't want to get a haircut, it feels good. It feels good to be able to just let my hair kind of be out. And I feel like a completely different person now. Like I'm not hiding my head as much as I used to.
Now, you understand medicine here in the States,
mm-hmm.
and we talked about, would you consider going overseas to do a hair transplant or to do a procedure? And we both agreed, having been in medicine forever and you're also have an understanding of medicine,
mm-hmm.
What is your opinion?
Yeah, no, I mean, this process was great. I live like maybe 20 minutes away. I would, choose you guys over and over again. It was probably one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. It gives me that confidence that I needed back, and I would choose coming here to Natural Hair Transplants over anybody else. It changed my life, and I couldn't be more grateful.
Well, I thank you for trusting in myself and my team, Jenny and Scarlett. We love what we do, and if you ever have any questions regarding a hair transplant, I'm Dr. Siegel. Please, free consultations, reach out to us. And again, Richard is just another amazing success story, and so happy that I was able to bring back his confidence.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.